Hi guys, it's me. This is Andrew. I should make a nickname. I don't wanna use my real name. And today I finally bought a microphone adapter for the GoPro. And what I'm using for my microphone is a Apple iPhone earphones. Earphones for the iPhone. I'm using that as my microphone, which is funny because it's actually better than those cheap ass microphones that I used to use. I've tested it at my home and I'm testing it for the first time while I ride. Sorry for cutting the signal back there, but I'm kind of running late. It's 7:05, September 4th here, and well, it's my birthday in 2 days, so this microphone adapter was kind of like my birthday present. It's kind of funny because I bought it with my own money. I I just, uh, I told my wife that I wanted to buy this as my birthday present and she allowed. So that's my birthday present. Being allowed to have buy an earphone adapter. Man. Shouldn't have got married. Nah, that was a joke. Anyway, so why haven't I been uploading anything for the past half a year? I think. What is it, half a year? I don't know. Well, it's mainly because I quit my second job as the delivery man. I was going to be like this delivery guy YouTuber, but well, I'm still gonna do that. But the thing is, with all this Corona pandemic going on, I just don't want to risk my life. Oh, I'm getting a phone call. I wonder who's gonna be calling at this time. I gotta take this call probably. 여보세요? 여보세요? 아, 그거요? 그거 지금 아마 한 달 기간 만료돼서 그럴 거예요. 오늘 안 갔어요? 여보세요? 예, 제가 이따가 출근해서 한번 보낼게요, 그러면. 그, 자동인데, 그거 무료 사용 기간 만료돼가지고 아마 안 갔을 거예요, 그러면. 제가 다른 방법 한번 찾아볼게요. Yeah, that was my boss. He was complaining that I haven't sent my reminder email at 6 o'clock in the morning. Is there like a free email, recurring emails service. I've been using this boomerang thing, which is apparently famous, but I don't want to spend my own money on for work, so I've been using it for free for about a month, and apparently that's over. Ooh, a K9 Platinum. K9s are so expensive. With that kind of money, you can buy a Mercedes or a BMW. So anyone who buys a K9, I don't know the reason, but they drive really slowly. Oh, there's like 2 excavators up front. I've never seen 2 excavators at the same time. That's why there are so many cars are not going. Okay. Oh, a Tesla. Dual motor. What's the difference between dual motor, turbo motor, single motor, whatever? I'm guessing it's the number of the motors it has. So the more motors, more power, is that it? I should have bought Tesla, man. On the stock market. I was going to buy it, but I didn't have enough money to buy like 1 share, so I bought Disney instead. And you know what happened to Disney? With the pandemic, all the Disneyland shut down, and now they have like a, I don't know, the Little Mermaid coming out all weird. I don't know. I don't watch Disney cartoons anymore. Oh, another excavator up ahead. Why are there so many construction vehicles here today? What's going on? Look at that yellow arrow. Fuck. Oh well. I go this way. If you go this way, it's like you're making a right. So technically, yeah, that's not running through the red light because I made a right. Right? Right. Wow, 2 excavators. Man, what's going on? Is this because of all the typhoon, the hurricane? There was like 2 hurricanes recently in Korea. Yes, these guys are trying to fix all the mess. And there's another one coming, like right now. It's gonna hit on Monday, I think. Today is Friday, so whatever you do today is gonna get messed up on Monday. That fucker, I just almost got hit by that fucker. Yeah, I'm not not a good driver myself, but man, fuck. He just came in like 2 lanes. That fucking asshole. Should have kicked his side mirror or something. But I don't want to get caught and go to jail. Okay, well, I'm almost here, so that's it for today. See you guys.